All right, welcome back here on this Monday, and we're talking about kind of the next few hours and kind of what we're seeing set up.
Yeah, strong storms are south and west of us, so we're going to skate through tonight with some gusty winds, some downpours, and some rain, but no expectation of widespread severe weather. So I think outside of the windows shaking a little bit with the winds picking up, we avoid the severe weather. Look at this, though. Active alerts, though, they extend from central Indiana all the way down past the Ohio River and into the mid-Mississippi River Valley. It is a large outbreak of severe weather. We're just a little far too north to experience any of that, so it will be a much better night for you to sleep easy, knowing we are not expecting that. But there could be some significant tornadoes down here toward western Kentucky, southern Illinois, and that is the area that is most likely to see severe weather. But there are a few strong storms embedded in this line up into central Indiana. In fact, look at this. Do want to show you an active tornado warning. This is just south and east of Indianapolis. That's going to be in effect till about quarter to midnight. Again, not going to impact us, but these are an example of the storms that are rolling just to the south and west of us. The near severe thunderstorm warning is on the south end of Fort Wayne, and that is where the last strongest storm will be, and that is going to be going just south toward Van Wert. We do have rain working into the area, and with that, some of these downpours are going to bring some gusty winds as this system works on through. The tail end of it, again, is going to create what we call a pressure differential, which could kick the winds up yet again to about 40 to 50 miles per hour. So more wet weather rolls into the area. We're getting the gustiest winds right now south of Toledo. They're about 30 to 40 miles per hour. Current gusts in Toledo, 32 miles an hour, and match that up across southern Michigan. There are high wind alerts, though, that have been issued for many counties here in northwest Ohio for the next several hours, as those winds could reach about 40 to 50 miles per hour overnight. Current readings, they're in the 60s. We're going to stay in the 60s all night tonight, and that's what you're going to step out the door to tomorrow morning. So here's a cold front, powerful system, stronger severe storms from central Indiana all the way down through the mid-Mississippi River Valley. As this works through, heaviest of the rain is going to be between now and 4 a.m. Showers will still linger tomorrow morning, but look at this. They are much lighter showers, and they're going to taper off as we go through lunchtime and into the afternoon. Peaks of sunshine should dry us out into Tuesday afternoon. Another round of rain Wednesday morning, and it's going to greet you first thing out the door on Wednesday, and that is going to help elevate the rainfall totals. And this is going to be all totaled what we get tonight through tomorrow morning, and again on Wednesday, right around a half an inch, with some areas topping out over 1 inch. Tonight, some rain and thunder, gusty breeze will kick up. Low right around 60 degrees. Could get some wind gusts occasionally, 40 to 50 miles per hour. We're even in the 60s tomorrow, and I do expect all this activity we have on Doppler radar is going to be out of here as we go into the morning hours tomorrow. We'll get some brief morning showers, highs in the upper 60s, but we'll be in the mid to upper 60s most of the day. We drop back into the 50s Wednesday, additional rounds of rain in the morning, mid 50s for Thursday, and we turn even colder through the end of the work week, low 50s for Friday and Saturday. Look at those overnight lows. Frosty cold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning into early May.